Have you ever wondered why some people on the internet seem to command attention effortlessly, while others fade into the background? The answer lies in that elusive term: personal branding. In today's digital world, a strong personal brand can be your ticket to professional success. It's not about ego or vanity, rather, it's about defining how you want the world to perceive you, and then taking deliberate steps to shape that perception. Building a strong personal brand isn't an overnight task, but rather a process that requires time, effort, and commitment. So, how can you embark on this journey? First, you must define your brand. What do you want to be known for? This is not just about your job or your skills, but also about your passions, values, and the unique perspective you bring to the table. It's about finding the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, and what the world needs. Next, you must create your brand. This involves developing a consistent messaging and visual identity across all your online platforms. Your website, LinkedIn profile, Twitter feed, and any other online presence should all tell the same story about who you are and what you stand for. Once you've established your brand, it's time to grow it. This involves sharing valuable content, engaging with your audience, and demonstrating thought leadership in your field. Remember, your personal brand is not just about promoting yourself, but also about adding value to others. Finally, you must maintain your brand. This involves regularly reviewing and updating your online presence to ensure it remains relevant and true to who you are. It also involves handling any criticism or negative feedback in a constructive manner. To summarize, building a strong personal brand involves defining your brand, creating your brand, growing your brand, and maintaining your brand. It's not a one-time effort, but rather a continuous process that requires ongoing commitment. Remember, your personal brand is your most valuable asset in the digital age. It's your ticket to professional success and personal fulfillment. So, take the time to build it, nurture it, and watch it thrive. In the words of Jeff Bezos, your brand is what people say about you when you're not in the room. So what do you want people to say about you? So embark on the journey of personal branding today and let the world see the true, unique, and remarkable you. The world is waiting. The question is, are you ready?